Realme has officially revealed that its upcoming Realme P4x smartphone on December 4th. It will be powered by the Dimensity 7400 Ultra SoC. The device is said to offer up to 8GB and 256GB UFS 3.1 of storage. Realme revealed that the P4x will feature a 144Hz display with a 1000 nits peak brightness, and it will be the only device in the segment to support up to 90 FPS gameplay on BGMI and up to 120 FPS gameplay on Free Fire. We can also spot the dual camera setup that may include a 50MP main camera. The smartphone will be backed by the 7000 mAh Titan battery that will support 45W fast charging. The Realme P4x 5G is expected to be priced at 15,999 rupees in India for the base storage model. The smartphone will be available to purchase on the Realme India website, Flipkart. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.